Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to log in to WorkBC. Whether you are seeking employment, exploring career options, or accessing government services, WorkBC has you covered. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here, and you can type in the URL, or you can simply search WorkBC on your preferred search engine. So let's tap enter. So once you've typed WorkBC login, it will take you to this page. So let's tap into this right here. And now you'll be directed to this login page. So all you gotta do is type your credentials right here. You have to type your email and password right here. And if you don't have an account and if you want to create a new account, you can tap into the register now right here. And in case you already have an account and you have forgotten your password, you can tap in this option right here. So for now, let's type in our email. And password, of course. Once you have entered your credentials, double check to make sure they are correct. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure to double check. And after confirming your username and password, you can simply tap in that login button or sign in button to access your WorkBC account. And there you have it. You are now logged into your WorkBC account, where you can explore job posting, access career resources, and more. That's all. There is it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel Tech Basics for more useful guides. Thank you for watching.